Okay, this is a quick video tutorial on how to do the chi-square and what is it, the KW test, using some data that you've already seen. This is, of course, the San Fernando Valley, and plotted on a map of the census tracts is donut shops, payday donut shops, pharmacies in red, and medical marijuana clinics in green. I already did the join count thing for you. You may want to try this yourself if you want to. All of the data is in the Y drive under Graves 460 in this pharmacy folder, and this is the LA Pharmacies MMD's ANOVA file. I did the join count for you. If we open the attribute table, you will see all the way to the right. Here's the count of pharmacies per this is tract and dispensaries and donut shops. So I'll close all of this out. I exported this file already. Taking too long. Well, I did a table export. This over to Excel, and I will open that file now. So here's that file in various formats. Essentially, the key was that I had to export that original file and extract all the data from the rows that included a donut shop. And so there were 89 census tracts that had a donut shop. I copied and pasted those, and I stacked them on top of one another. There were I can't tell how many rows of 108 census tracts that had a dispensary, and as I look, it was 50 that had a pharmacy. And notice that this is for SPSS, that data had to be stacked on top of each other, that there were some of these rows that will appear in more than one time, but that's how at least that's one possible way of doing this. Now for Excel, to run ANOVA in Excel, Excel just wanted the data in 3 separate columns, and so again, I believe it was 50 rows or 50 census tracts had a pharmacy in it, and so I just put them here. They're not stacked, they're side by side by side. And there's too many donuts, it appears. Pause. Okay, so that's fixed. There were 89 census tracts with a donut, 108 with dispensaries, and 50 with a pharmacy. In order to do this calculation in Excel, what you need to do is make sure that your data analysis is turned on. You've already been shown how to do that. Click Data Analysis, ANOVA, and hold on, I think we were doing single factor. Okay, and the input range is okay. So in order to run this, click Data Analysis, ANOVA single factor, and what you want to do is highlight everything. You leave the blanks in there, it'll understand that. Make sure that the labels in the first row are checked if you have included, and we have, and click OK, and you'll get a factor or results of ANOVA single factor here. The most important value is these two here, and at this point, hopefully in the semester, you understand that this is similar to a z-score, and the p-value is something that you need to understand. Okay, so here I have opened up, oh shoot, I've opened up SPSS, but my license has expired, so I'm going to do as much of this as I can. I'm going to open this SPSS format, click OK, and at this point I'm going to pause and see if I can fix the license. Okay, let's see if this works. File and recently used file, or we want to open up this one, hold on, chi-square users, this one, except this will be